Chapter 7 na an extraordinary achiever. Pro section hiya saulo igen dinga neuha nasimcha hon motivate hon panpi the hi khagle china nangai khyak sakilan. An extraordinary achiever. There are so many achiever. There are so many success people. There are so many popular person in games, in physical games, in mental games, in science, in technology. But here the word extraordinary is the greater achievement that Sunita Williams got. Sunita Williams is a woman of many parts. She has a lot of talents, various talents, and she could flower all of them. For us, we find difficult to flower even a single talent. But this lady of Indian blood is very, very great. I should say, she is also known as person of many parts. Why? She was a naval aviator. She was a helicopter pilot. She's a test pilot, naval diver. She could swim very well. She's a swimmer. And she's a runner. She could run marathon also. And now she is an astronaut. A person who travels in space. And world record holder in space walking. She got such various talents and she flowered all of them. Look at it from another angle, she may be regarded as an ordinary person who has translated her extraordinary potential into reality through sheer hard work and positive attitude. All these are possible because she works very hard. Constantly, she never stops, she never give up. Number 2, she is very positive outlook. She is very positive. She used to think the bright side of life, the good side of life. All others, the dark side, she used to forget. She is very hopeful. She is full of hope. She is very enthusiastic and very realistic. So, to be realistic, to be hardworking, and to be positive thinking is one of the source of becoming a successful person. She had tasted success by steeling herself to go to extra mile to explore her personal limit. So, extra mile. If your friends are reading 3 hours, you just read 5 hours or 6 hours. Go some extra mile. Sunita captured the imagination of the world during her sojourn in space in more than 6 months by setting a world record spacewalking by woman through 4 spacewalks, totally 29 hours and 17 minutes. In 2006, in her expedition Walk in Space, she walked 29 hours and 17 minutes. Very tiresome. Just imagine space walk is like a slow motion walk. We could not walk properly as we walk on this earth. But see, 29 hours. It's not tata, it's long enough. It's very challenging. Today, Sunita is exploring a space, but the root of her aspiration had been planted deep by her parents, siblings. The root, the elements of her consist. Her family members, her parents are very much supporting and also an extraordinary parents. I should say, Sunita was brought up in a loving family that nurtured her inherent talents and support her work complete and excel. She is the youngest of 3 children of Dr. Deepak N. Pandya and Boni Jalokar Pandya, the father, an Indian from Gujarat, and a mother, Slovenian from Europe. Her mother is an European, her father is from Indian. Must be because of these two blood, she become an extraordinary achiever. Sunita's blood had been colored with Indian heritage of her father, the European heritage of her mother, and the values of land. There is America. She was the first to an elementary school. She was sent to an elementary school and then to a junior high school to study from a kindergarten to the 9th grade. After that, she went to Needham High School at Boston from the 10th to the 12th grade. Sunita loved sports, particularly swimming. She went in for a lot of competitive swimmings and encouraged by her parents. Sunita Williams, European blood and Indian blood from her parents, become an extraordinary achiever because of three qualities. Number one, she is very hardworking. Number two, she is very positive thinking. She is very optimistic. And thirdly, very realistic. Sunita Williams thil tampia panaki bol home akichisa zena bangja khya me chile aman apian kanina lunglut aw mama tempaina leng tampi aneya asyam zong kivakna tempaina tampi aneya waiting a flower zo ve kahi apa India mi Gujarat a Dr. Pandya hiya anu ahile European mi Slovenian mi ahi nule pa blood achituam zia kya banga thei khanga ko bang hile nasep hakat hoi changa dreamland khonga omlo hard realistic mama athum na a positive thinking thil him a hoilam gel a hoilam te ngai tua mi ahi zia kina mi lo ching taka hong suaka hoi alo chin na te khat khit khatina ilai bo akigen tawa. Sunita Williams came back to the Earth on June 21, 2007 in her latest expedition in the ISS launch on 15 July 2012. She stayed in space for another 127 days. From this journey, she returned to the Earth on 17 November 2012. As of now, she has made a record of spacewalks for 50 hours and 40 minutes. In 332 days in this expedition to the International Space Station, this was an extraordinary achievement for a woman who learns to make it because of her hard work, sense of discipline, persistence, courage, and willingness to push herself to the limit of the unstinting support and encouragement of her parents, siblings, and friends. Hard work nasep hakat mama mia ama lema kithuzo mama mia hiya tuithwa khan mama hiya mihang sanahi tunina nangle keile hakat ha pangi ge chebang hang sanna ai keile mani kithunun zo hoi hi chi te zui zo hoi lo hi chi te khol san pa pa mi hi nge le hiai Sunita Williams, an extraordinary achiever. Lo chinna tampi ni naval aviator lahi, helicopter pilot lehi, test pilot lehi, hoi changa naval diver lehi, long hek tu long sai tu te laka tui leu siam tui leu hat tui zap siam hoi changa van lai zola space lam explore the leng te laka letel hoi chang a space a khea a pai sot pen a vak sot thei pen a record a hi mi na genwa space a hu cha pai kha gim huai ma hi a chiu a hi hoi jakin miku kal mi realistic mama dream khonga amai maya theory khonga pailomi practical mama a hi hoi jakin ei leng tunia ilai simna iku kala i practical i self discipline zole bangma eya de laudi haksadi a omke mi pezu isami palsa paldik a kisa hi hiai an extraordinary achiever the conquest of human beings from the unknown makes call to the spirit of their extraordinary capability. The quest dang tak na theinop na hoite jaka izon zon ivai vai le thoi lahoi imudi nga hoi imu te kha mi te sanga tung tuang zo amudi ngi hi dang tak na lungul na ning lawa tol san lawa ing i del le izon zon le pathan musak ni henu le huchia azon zon le adel del le mu hi tampi tang hi gifted talented extraordinary achiever tunina tuhunina hiai Sunita Williams numei hiya American te astronaut minthang tak hi alom a volten play role tampi aneya ain kwan pi leng role tampi a play hi che ama min than na ding imin than na di na inule ipa ba na pathian inule ipa ba na ikimi kya nga om i khotang mi tele poimo ma ma hi chi cham te di hedin kon gen dinga neu kha thei be dia ma chen kon gen le ki pa ken nga ya